Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our lecture number 9. It also relates to the valuation of bonds. The value of a bond is the present value of all the securities' future cash inflows. The value of a bond is the present value of all the securities' future cash inflows. In mathematical terms, P0 is equal to coupon 1 over 1 plus yield to maturity 1, coupon 2 over 1 plus yield to maturity raised to the power 2, and up to T time when the bond mature, coupon T face value over 1 plus yield to maturity raised to the power T, where YTM means yield to maturity or discount rate. It is the market interest rate that constantly changes. The yield to maturity is the discount rate that equates the bond's future cash inflows with the current market price of the bond. It is the definition of the yield to maturity. And what is face value? Principal amount printed on the bond. Coupon, the amount of bond's coupon interest payment. T, the number of time periods left until the bond matures. After that, we will inshallah give you a question which clear this. Here is an example. Second example. IBF Limited's rupees 1000 bonds have a coupon rate of 8%, which will mature in 20 years, are selling at a price of rupees 1050. What does an investor earns in these bonds in terms of yield to maturity? Second, current yield. Third, nominal yield or nominal interest rate. Now, here is a solution. Now, it is an example 2. In this example, we have to calculate the rate of interest which the investor earns. IBF Limited's rupees 1000 bond have a coupon rate of 8%, which will mature in 20 years, and at the present it is being sold at rupees 1050. What does an investor earns in these bonds in terms of yield to maturity, current yield, nominal yield or nominal rate of interest? This we have to calculate. The first is yield to maturity. Solution part A. This is solved by internal rate of interest, internal rate of return. Internal rate of return, it is also called IRR. It is calculated by hit and trial method. So we have tried first of all by 7%. 7% we have calculated, the amount comes to 1105.94. Then we calculated with 8%. It comes to rupees 1000. Now 1105 at 7% and it is 8%. Required amount is 1050. It means it is between 7 and 8%. It is between 7 and 8%. We will now calculate what is the exact. On the previous board, you have seen that at 7% the value of the bond was 1105.94 and at 8% it was rupees 1000, but the bond was selling at 1050. Now at 7% rate its value comes to this, and at 8% its value comes to this. The difference between these two is 105.94. It is equal to 1%. And if we see, then what is the difference between this is 55.9.4 and 55.94. Now if we want to calculate the fraction of this, the fraction of percentage is 55.94 over 105.94, that is equal to 0.528. Therefore the YTM is equal to 7% plus this fraction, 7.528%. The B part of the question was current yield. It is also called Y. It is equal to coupon interest per year over purchase price of the bond. Now the coupon rate is rupees 80 and the purchase price is 1050. It comes to 7.619%. And the third C part is coupon interest rate was actually we have to calculate nominal interest rate. Coupon interest rate is also called the nominal interest rate, which is equal to 8%. Now the last topic in this valuation of bonds is zero coupon bond. Such bonds are issued at a discount to their redemption value and interest is not paid on them. The bondholder gains from the difference between issue price and the redemption value. मैं आपको उर्दू में ये बात बताता हूँ कि जीरो कूपन बॉन्ड ऐसे हैं जैसे उसकी जो रिडम्पशन वैल्यू 1000 है, लेकिन वो 200 रुपये में बेच रहा है. आज 10 साल के बाद 1000 रुपया देगा. आज वो 200 रुपये में बेच रहा है, 300 रुपये में बेच रहा है, लेकिन 10 साल के बाद, 5 साल के बाद, जितनी भी उसकी ड्यूरेशन है, उसके बाद वो 1000 रुपया देगा. जो बॉन्ड होल्डर है उसे जो कुछ भी फायदा है, ये जो डिफरेंस है ना, आज 300 रुपये का खरीदा है, उस वक्त 1000 का होगा, ये 700 रुपये का फायदा है उसको. अब इसका क्या रेट होगा वो अभी हम यहाँ एग्जाम्पल में पढ़ते हैं. देखिए पहले तो है एग्जाम्पल का ए पार्ट है, कैलकुलेट द प्राइस ऑफ ₹1000 जीरो कूपन बॉन्ड with a YTM yield to maturity 20% and 5 years until maturity. 1000 रुपये का बॉन्ड है, लेकिन अब उसकी क्या कीमत है. अगर आज उसकी YTM 20% हो और 5 साल के बाद मेच्योरिटी हो, तो उसका फार्मूला क्या है, प्राइस इज इक्वल टू फेस वैल्यू ओवर 1 प्लस YTM रेज टू द पावर n. फेस वैल्यू 1000, YTM 20%, until maturity 5 years. The today's price is 401.88. Now the second portion is of this example is find the YTM. Here we found the price, but here find the YTM of 1000 zero bond whose price is 300 and 5 years until maturity. 300 रुपये का बिक रहा है, 1000 रुपये उसका YTM कितना होगा. YTM is equal to face value over price raised to the power 1 over n minus 1. Face value 1000, price 300, power 1 over 5 minus 1. It comes to 27.22%. The YTM is equal to 27.22%.